Have you ever wondered if your dreams could reveal the future? What if the visions that come to you in the dead of night hold secrets of what's to come? Join us as we journey back to ancient times to explore the mystical world of oniromancy, the art of divining the future through dreams. Our story begins in the land of the pharaohs in ancient Egypt. Here among the sands and the pyramids lies a remarkable artifact known as the Egyptian Dream Book. This ancient papyrus found in the workers' village of Deir el-Medina near the Valley of the Kings is a testament to humanity's age-old fascination with dreams and their meanings. Dating back to the early reign of Ramesses II, around 1279 to 1213 BC, this dream book is meticulously preserved in hieratic script. Each page begins with the phrase, "If a man sees himself in a dream," followed by a vivid description of the dream and its interpretation. Dreams deemed good are listed first, while bad dreams, ominously written in red, follow. But what kinds of dreams were recorded in this ancient book? The Dream Book describes 108 dreams, encompassing 78 activities and emotions that reflect the daily lives and concerns of ordinary people. Most dreams involve some form of sight or seeing, while others deal with eating, drinking, receiving, and even copulating. Imagine an ancient Egyptian seeing themselves looking out of a window in a dream. According to the Dream Book, this vision was considered good and interpreted as the hearing of his cry. Such interpretations were not just random musings, but were believed to offer profound insights into one's life and future. The Dream Book wasn't just a collection of writings, it was an heirloom passed down through generations. One of its known owners was the scribe Khenefer-Khepshef, who lived during Ramesses II's reign. His name, along with those of his wife's second husband, Khamenei, and his son Amenacht, appear on the papyrus, marking its journey through time. This fascinating artifact was part of a larger archive which included a variety of literary, magical, and documentary works. Its preservation and passage from one generation to the next underscore the value the ancient Egyptians placed on knowledge and tradition. But how did the ancient Egyptians view these dream interpretations? Were they seen as serious predictions or mere entertainment? This question remains a mystery. Just as future archaeologists might puzzle over our daily horoscopes, we too ponder the role and significance of the Dream Book in ancient Egyptian society. The Dream Book is more than just an ancient manuscript. It is a window into the minds and beliefs of a civilization long past. Whether taken seriously or not, it reveals the human desire to understand the unknown and to seek guidance from the mysteries of our dreams. So next time you dream, remember the ancient Egyptians and their dream book. Perhaps your dreams, like theirs, hold more than just fleeting images. They might just be whispers of the future waiting to be deciphered.